Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to generate documentation and comments automatically for your source code inside your VS Code. So there is an extension that you can install here. If you just go to the extensions tab and just type here documentation, the very first extension which comes right, it's a very popular extension which called as deoxygen documentation generator. It's used by almost 11 billion developers and it lets you generate automatic documentation and comment for your source code. So if you have a source code file here, after activating this plugin, it's very easy. Simply go to the target file here. Let's suppose this is my index.cpp file here. So if you want to generate comments for it, so you simply write here /** and then press enter, and automatically all this documentation will be generated, which is the actual file, the author. Here you can replace your author name, version, the date, current date, copyright. All these things will be automatically inserted. So you just need to write /** and then press enter, and automatically this documentation will be generated. So in this easy way you can do this process. Again, you can do this if you have a certain kind of a function, so it will generate this documentation, which is the parameter, all this stuff. So if you just want to highlight some code, /**, and automatically that it will document your code. It will generate the appropriate documentation and the comments of it like this. You can target any language here. It can be JavaScript, PHP as well. So if you have this, you can generate these comments right here. You can see that. So it's very easy. So the extension name is deoxygenation documentation generator. Simply activate this and you can actually target any source code file. It can be JavaScript as well. So again, the syntax remains the same, /**, and then it will generate this documentation automatically. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.